everyone, I introduce myself first. I'm Kisley Jimmy Chichi. Just call my name for short, Wesley. And I'm 23 years of my age. And I live in Barangay Tagda, Zone 1 of Municipality of Inigaran. And my hobbies is I love playing guitar and sing. And also, I love playing basketball. And my personality is I'm a loving person, caring for others, and especially I am a loyal person. And I'm currently a student with a strong interest of courses of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I enjoy learnings about programming, software, and development, and I love a world of technology. Throughout my study, I gain a solid understanding